there's a bird. So it's eating the sunflower seeds, which means there's definitely going to be some sunflower seeds in the garden bed next year. No, it scared it. No. Back. Dang it. But well, okay, I don't see any bird there. Using the guessing game, I can accurately guess that there will be sunflower seeds there next year. And it looks like it's eating from the top ones, which are the sort of dead ones, but not really. So it's a really cool thing. I just like to suggest like the video and subscribe. If we get to 10 subscribers, I'll break open that obsidian rock.